Hi, Ricky. Are you a good girl? Hi, Ricky. Ricky's a good girl, huh, Sonny? You like Ricky? Hi, Ricky. Give Ricky a kiss. Give Ricky a kiss. Hi, Mercedes. What are you doing? Hi, Henry. Henry Moore. What are you doing, Hen? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you gonna talk for Mama? Say hello. Give me a kiss.